Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Madison Geyer and it's my account, my channel. I'm gonna be doing more stuff. I have a big family. I'm gonna tell you about my family. I'm gonna tell you about my history and like what grade I am, how old I am. Just kidding. I won't tell you because it was personal stuff. I'm not gonna tell you personal stuff because I don't need to know. You don't need to figure out where I live. Somehow stalk me. My friend's video today is just randomly. I'm gonna show you around. I'm just gonna show you people that are here today. There's not all the people here. And yeah, this took me a while to figure out this. I randomly was sitting there and I was talking to my sister and I was like, I need to make a YouTube channel. You can hear my sister, the background. My sister's right here. That's my sister. Okay. Oh, and I forgot to show you Chiefy's. Chiefy's. Hi, baby. I love you. You love me. Can't even see him. No. Chiefy's.
You want to come with me?
Where are you going?
Taking them for a walk.
Okay. Guess we're doing that? Sure.
Debbie, you want to come with?
I'm going to go get my shoes.
Why not? What are you talking to?
We're going to go on a walk. Okay, dog. Where's my shoes? Here's my room. It's not that destroyed, but like, it's kind of, yeah. Okay, ready to go. Okay, this is probably gonna be like a 5-minute one. Yeah, and that's it. Not that one. The dog, when we first started walking the dog, we just locked him up and that was it. We never walked the dog. Now we're actually starting to walk the dog more. She's putting her hair up. I can't put my hair up. Let's put my hair up. I kind of can't. My hair's already going back. No, my dog's going with, I believe.
You coming with? You have to.
If you ever
Here?
go down
No bowling.
because you can't see where I live, I'm gonna get pants.
Hey. Get you excited to be calm.
Like you, baby. Yep, that dog's already. My dog is really annoying. He's trying to get everybody that's in his way. That's why he's going so slow. Yeah, because there's a baby in the back. Now he's going kind of fast. That dog's peeing everywhere. Jeez.
He's might be in dance territory. That's what he's doing.
I can't even get it down. It doesn't like me in videos. If you ever feel like you no one saw that, you do not see that behind me. Yeah.
Get back here.
Chief. Can I hold it?
No. He'll rip your arm off.
Probably. Yeah. Peeing everywhere. Ben Mikey.
Stop pulling.
Whoo!
Stop.
La 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 la. Two CBs.
Oh, we're taking the dog for a walk. Video.
This is the first time I've ever taken a video, and it's actually gonna go on YouTube too. It's a 5-minute video, longer than that. Mama, mama, mama. People like saying. Okay. You almost knocked me over. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.